Let's go. Let's go. You know who's back. You know who's back. Yeah. Rhythm is on the beat. Yeah. Back with the hit. I'm back on the beat. Hey.
All of my life I've been told
All of my life I've been told that I won't ever make it if I keep pursuing my dream. Parents and some of my friends would be telling me this is reality, life ain't a dream. But I'm trying to turn that dream to reality. Even if my family and friends would dishonor me, pulling and keeping me down like the gravity. But I got a space in my heart, I gotta feel like a cavity. Woo! Just so I can keep my sanity. Pain and the agony have gave me the strength to overcome all the tragedy. Tired of the lies they feed, man, it's killing me. So I'm gonna stick to the bars and the melody. Living my dream, if it's a crime, I'm a felony. Never pay attention to the negative shit they be telling me. This my time, getting money like a Kennedy. This my time, getting money like
getting money
like a Kennedy. Don't nobody teach me, don't nobody show me how to do this shit. Even my family said I'll never be shit, but they changed their mind when I made my first hit. They start to appreciate the things that I did. They start to support, they don't want me to quit. I'm motivated and I'm celebrating this shit. What up, L-Town? It's a boy with a mic. So how can I be mad when my parents are happy? Why would I be sad when they say my rap's crappy? I be working 24/7 on my lappy. Haters be chatty, them raggedy bitches. Whoa, thinking that I do the shit for the richest. No, time for these haters to swim with the fishes. Hey, dive motherfucker till they learn how to listen. Quiet motherfucker till they stop all the bitching.
Well, the fans will be hoping for an exciting match here today. It looks like they're heading to flood the midfield with this 3-5-2 formation.
Well, the players can't complain about the atmosphere. It is absolutely buzzing here. Next 90 minutes should be captivating.
He could be punished for that mistake. Salah. Piqué with a tackle. Finds his teammate. The assistant points his flag. It's a corner kick.
Now he's weighing up his options. And that's into the box.
Really well played. They've taken it down the wing.
Oh, it's a clear chance. And that was close. Not much in it there at all.
De Jong. Great passing there. Great skill from this player.
That's nicely played. Mbappe. And it's opened up here. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish.
Here's a replay of that great goal. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game.
Oh, Mane!
Can they make something of this?
And that one swung into the box.
It's a throw-in. Booted clear. And it's Ronaldo.
Passed well.
He's unstoppable with the ball. This player is taking on the opposition. Off his head!
Oh, nice finish there. Great technique there. Kept his eye on the ball and placed his header well to put it past the goalkeeper.
We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today.
And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway.
And we're into stoppage time now. This is Hazard.
It's half-time and a chance for them.
be the type of guy who talk about shit since high school. Like who they wanna be, what they wanna do. Talk about shit they ain't never gonna do. Trying to act cool like they did.
A single change has been made. Will it have an effect? That's good link-up play. Finds his teammate.
And the referee has pointed to the spot. It's a penalty. Can he finish it? And they score from the penalty spot. Neatly put away. Great composure.
That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. Good distribution.
Good interception.
De Jong.
That's nicely played. Great patience here. Oh, he did really well there. Passed well.
Long shot.
Well, that's off.
Some big in reality they hide behind the screen having fun with the ones who try like they done shit. Some live a dream but they crushed it. They're trying to fuck the world but they bust quick. They don't fight for the dream but they just quit. Making fun of people trying to do big shit. Make them feel insecure like a...
And this is the 11 unveiled by the home team. Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today.
Good distribution. Defender in possession. Ooh, quality defending there.
He slid for the ball, but missed. He did well to win the ball back.
Confident pass.
Oh, there's an opening here. Oh, what a finish. Into the bottom corner. Decisive. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. And the players have finished celebrating and we're back underway.
Passed inside.
Great dribbling. Oh, he must score. And Ter Stegen has it. Well read.
Here's Ronaldo. The striker picks it up.
Van Dijk with a tackle.
De Jong. Good clean challenge. Back to the keeper. He's headed the ball forward. Finds his teammate.
Oh, it's a clear chance. That's good work by the defence, just offside.
And it's Ronaldo.
And there's the shot. What a fit.
Misfit, they're scared to lose, they don't risk it. So now life's gonna eat them like a biscuit. Cause they pissed it all, let them fix it. Or let them be